I will never forget doing Break It Down, though, because my mom came up to the studio. I'll never forget that. Out of the blue, she just came up to the studio. And she heard the song. And 5 minutes later, she was gone. Because she was really bothered by the content. She was bothered by the lyrics. Somehow Prince convinced her, it's going to be okay, Mom. You know. And she left, and we finished the song. I'll never forget that, because I was in the booth the whole time. I didn't come out the booth when she got there. I'm just standing there with the headphones on. I can't hear what's going on. But I know why she's frustrated, because I can see the look on her face as she's listening to the song. I know my mom, she can't hide her expression. She cannot hide her feelings with her expressions that she makes. Which is why I say he was like a big brother, because it was almost like he was trying to talk me out of trouble. Like, trying to get me out of trouble with my mom. Like, Mom, it's fine, you know. Little bro's gonna be fine. It's gonna be cool.
What's up with it, Stevie? Can we? Prolific, they think they fucking with the minds, they actually tripping. Honest speaking, that specific purpose. You ain't never been on a mission, I got a billionaire my vision. When they speak about my name, you better ask permission. I built a bridge and got over it, but you be burning bridges. She bouncing her booty, viewers discretion. Sipping Carlos Rossi, I'm chillaxing, but you a gimmick and you fabricated. Put a little shit bag on your head, no diaper, don't get eliminated. I can tell that you're shaking and nervous and frustrated, but you a people time watching your busy get penetrated. Hearing her back get beat out, missionary. But I'm a natural born leader, revolutionary. They'd rather see you locked up and buried in cemetery. The government is fucked. Modern day slavery, I speak the real. That you can't believe. My baby girl just started teething. I had conversations with my grandma, but I was dreaming. Fuck the industry, I've been plotting and scheming. I've been had a reason. Now my whole team eating and feasting. I'm everywhere like the air that you're breathing. We are not the same, so what's the meaning? Thinking that you can fuck with me? I'm an alien, not a human being. Now, let that sink in. Where I'm from is fuck friends, they all pretend. Don't let that go over your head, like a native told the pilgrims to break bread instead. Born with ADHD, so they had me on all the meds. They tryna brainwash our heads, learn from your past pain, and make a better change. How you gon' keep up with me if I'm in my own lane? Can we talk for a minute, girl? I want to know your name. Suckers be mad at me cause I worth a couple mil. At the end of the day, when they need to stop dick riding for a deal, he gon' tat a tail and squeal. Thinking with the dick, tryna have sex appeal. These rappers talk about killing, so but won't do a drill. I got power moves, finesse skills. She tell me that her booty real, and I don't have to ask permission to feel. Me and my wife be like Jack and Jill. They blackballing me cause I speak words that give you chills. I'm laughing at you suckers, like y'all serious and for real. Like you not beginning an innocent kill. What happened to unity and love nowadays? Stepping on toes for the skrill. You suckers backdoor your own people nowadays. So the fake the new real. So don't play with my emotions, cause you don't know what I feel. You could tell when the love fake, when you get that egg in your gut, man. This rap game will never be the same. I got my life on track like a bike crank that lost its chain. Walking through my hood, you will see a whole bunch of bloodstains. But you wanna be famous, but not me, okay? RPOJ. I predicted my future like the Simpsons. I know I got their attention, they gon' listen. They only gonna bother you when it's urgent. Don't listen to the bullshit like you allergic. Smoking purple fire like a dragon in a